Hello guys, today I am going to discuss about Chinese Presidential Scholarship Program. First of all, you have to go to jobsandcareerhub.blogspot.com and then you will see the first post which is about this presidential scholarship, and you have to click on read more, and here you will come on the post. Here you can see the applications, different universities regarding this application or regarding this scholarship. There are 6 total universities. You can visit the websites of the university from clicking websites. The link here. So when you click on this link, you will open any website which you can see. The more thing about this Chinese presidential scholarship is which is funded by President of China under the Ministry of Education. There are 3 levels: bachelor's, master's and PhD, which is fully funded, and the deadlines for each university is given above. Next you can see the degree program which is offered under this scholarship. The first degree is material sciences and engineering, petroleum technology, computer communications, in energy and power engineering, design and art. Different degrees in sciences, civil engineering, electrical and mechanical engineering, and degrees regarding life sciences and engineering, foreign languages. And there are other degrees related to law, economics and management, and Chinese language and literature. The eligibility criteria is also discussed here, and you can read this blog. And the financial coverage is full tuition fee, free on-campus accommodation, and these are the stipend for doctoral degrees, master's degrees and bachelor degrees. And here is the free comprehensive medical insurance is also included in this scholarship. So thank